So I know I haven't been uploading in the past 3 weeks, but I made quite a bit of progress in the meantime. So tomorrow I'll probably be going to a metal factory nearby to get my parts, to get some of the parts made out of metal. I have most of it, around 50% of the design consists of plastic parts made from PLA. If need be, I might get it printed out of metal because they're intricate parts and they can't be made in a normal workshop. But yeah, let me quickly show you guys the design. So the whole design is probably, the width of it is around, it's probably bigger than this keyboard. Height wise, probably just a few inches higher than this keyboard. And yeah, this is probably going to be the final design. So it will have an LCD screen. These holes are for buttons to be inserted in, not this one, this one's for screws and so on. Buttons will be placed here, a mushroom button and normal push buttons here and here, a reset button there. Interior wise, got one encoder, actually two encoders, optical encoders, one small servo, 180-degree servo. Then I have another servo for shifting the gears, and it just works as a simple gearbox that I designed. It's quite different to a normal traditional transition system. I don't think anything like this is made. My system uses magnets for the transition and a continuous servo motor, and I'm able to achieve 3 different gear ratios. So yeah, that's the whole gist of it. On this side, I'm thinking of making it a modular design, so if need be, if there is enough time, I might add an alternator from this spin shaft, so when the user pulls it, will be spinning this shaft, and that can be put on an alternator to generate electricity from the output. Coding wise, I already had the servo working, but I haven't had the time to get the encoder working with the servo to get the exact position of where the gear is. So we'll probably be doing that in the next couple of weeks. With the LCD display, I have that working, so I was testing the push button mechanism out today, wrote a bit of code to test it out. So this is just for one button. Oops. Let me just put this on. So I have a switch system. Once the button's pressed, we'll go to 14 kg, 7 to 14. But obviously the button changes will happen with 2 buttons, where if I press one button, it will make the gear shift up. If I press another button, it will make the gear shifts. It will reduce it to a lower gear ratio. But that's the gist of it. Yeah. So that will be the update for today. I know it's been quite delayed, but I'll get used to this, uploading videos every now and then. But like I said, I should be doing this every week, so that I don't fall back on my plan, and it should keep me consistent as well. Yeah. Happy Monday to everyone, and goodbye.